Do you know how to keep the .NET sold on the market fresh? Today, I will take you to see the live shooting of the production line. Manual selection makes each .NET complete in full. Vacuum to exclude oxygen, delay oxidation, and then inject 99.9% food-grade nitrogen to inhibit bacterial growth. The sealing is completed, and the freshness period is extended to 90 days. Elemotion's double turntable fully automatic bag-type vacuum, nitrogen-filled all-in-one packaging machine, can maximize the freshness of ingredients. If you need it, please contact us.